This is PAROL6 robotic arm. It is a high-performance 6-axis desktop robot that anyone can build. It is designed to be 3D printed using only 2 kg of filament. The STL files are open source, same as BOM, manual and all the software for the robot. All the other parts can be bought off the shelf from sites like Amazon, AliExpress, with total BOM being less than 1,000 euros. The robot is currently being used by hundreds of people around the world, by college students, companies and makers. The robot has URDF files available, making it easy to create simulations and experiments in MATLAB and ROS. It supports multiple grippers, like force-sensitive electric grippers, vacuum grippers and pneumatic grippers. PAROL6 is one of the fastest and most repeatable DIY robotic arms on the market, with a payload of 0.5 kg, repeatability of 0.05 mm, reach of 400 mm and a weight of only 6 kg. The software to control the robot is similar to the industrial programs and has a built-in simulator. In the control software you can jog the robot, control inputs and outputs, use communication with the robot over CAN or USB, control the grippers, save and record programs and much more. The project is constantly getting updated and we are actively working on it. You can learn more on how to build one yourself or buy one in the links in the description.